Okay, here we are on 40 meters shortwave with the British Reception Set 209 Mark II. This equipment was first used very late on in the Second World War, being first introduced into service in March 1945. It covers about 1 to, I think it's 24 megahertz, AM, CW and FM, rather unusually for equipment of this year. It's in a hermetically sealed case, reminiscent of the later Larkspur equipment, and the casing is actually derived from the failed wireless set 42. A few of these may have made their way into Europe at the end of the war. I think they were primarily intended for the Eastern Campaign. I've seen records of a handful of them being used in Burma. You can independently tune the BFO, and rather unusually its gain is controlled by the volume control. High tension is derived from an internal vibrator. This particular model runs from 12 volts. The number 1 Mark I's from the late Second World War were all 6 volt sets, and I believe later on there were 24 volt versions as well, all sets able to work from DC and AC mains. Intended for use as ground, vehicle, man-pack or animal pack stations. They're a versatile set, remaining in service up until the mid-1960s, I believe. Number 2 Mark II sets, like this one, have an IF output for use with radio teletype systems, and in such operation it was regularly paired with the wireless set 53.